it's shaky. Or we say it is dancing. I never tried EVs, but this time in this car, I'm gonna try it.
This is China's first all-electric supercar in the next EV sector. The ride is smooth and the acceleration, wow. The thrust is insane. But honestly, I feel like I'm not driving it to its full potential. Maybe I need a pro driver to really show me what it can do.
现在新能源车，直线快是没有意义的，一定要弯道快。
Can you believe it? I'm someone who doesn't even scream on roller coasters, but riding shotgun in this BYD race car actually made me yell out loud.
这个不了吧？基本上它的尾巴是没有一点点甩的。
太酷了!
What a way to kick off the day behind the wheel of a futuristic supercar. We are here in Pingshan as part of the Glory with Pingshan tour, right after yesterday's Honor Global Creator Conference. Today, we are diving into what makes this district so special.
That is the real manufacturing line, and they can fully assemble one car with 51 seconds.
You probably don't even realize it, but in the time it took me to say that sentence, a complete new car has rolled off the line. Is there any word for a pace like that other than absolutely insane?
In just 10 minutes, I went from an observer to a passenger.
This Sky Shuttle line, launched in December 2022, stitches Pingshan together. It links tech hubs, culture sites, even parks. And it's not just a demo, it's a real commuter line, a moving tour of the district. 12 trains run daily, serving thousands.
这一条线是属于通勤线，等会还去到的燕子岭公园，还有刚刚路过的自然博物馆西，在节假日的时候还是客流比较高的。
Here in Pingshan, the distance between technology and real application is shorter than you think. Oh, by the way, what's the next stop?
They took us to the streets where we saw AI-powered sweepers in action. Pingshan feels like one big open lab for smart tech. And speaking of smart, next up, the Honor Factory. They've told me that filming on the production floor is restricted, so what I can show you might be limited. But I'll make mental notes and share with you all about it.
I'm about to enter Honor's factory, so see you guys later.
How long does it take to assemble a smartphone from individual parts to a finished product? Honor's answer is a mere 28.5 seconds.
It was amazing. We spent over an hour to travel their one production line. It's just one production line in their one single factory with a 150 meters long plant. You know what? Those high-speed machines were born from their employees' innovations and even some breaking overseas monopolies.
This commitment to intelligent tech is echoed across Pingshan. Places like the dedicated AI Park and the Chengtou Zhiyuan are accelerating the growth of the AI industry. Up on the 6th floor of the AI Park, there's an AI future camp. Who knows, the next AI pioneer might be getting their start right here.
It is a real-world case in how China is making AI work.